Hi, my name is Wei Min, and I'm a UNSW Uni postgraduate student. And the company I decided to analyze the Tencent Holding Group, an internet company with a diversity businesses. And this video shows how the strategy thinking and ethic approach I learned in the COM 5010 address the potential pitfalls that Tencent Holding might encounters in the future, and how this two approach will help me to solve my career issue better. And strategy thinking is an analytical tools that enable me to use the critical thinking to analyze the potential problem. In the past, I may have followed the guidelines of my workplace senior, not actively challenge previous facts that when I encounter the problem. According to the article by the profession, Downing and having the soft skills such as the technical and emotional skills are essential in the future working environment. And now I'm more confident in using the critical thinking to anticipate and finding the things after the COM 5010 course. If I was the industrial analytics, this way of thinking will help me maintain the constantly reflective attitude and the more courage in making the predictions about the industrial future. And firstly, the trends of the technological advancements is driving the development of the entire company. And on the other hand, artificial intelligence has become the important driver of the internet industrial market. In the future, the Tencent need to pay more attention about to change the external environment and prevent the black swan events from occurring in the market, and such as promoting the policy is favorable to the internet. Therefore, the Tencent employee need to be brave enough to develop the questionable idea in advance to reduce the loss or even avoid the risk. Based on the MC Gahan's opinion, stakeholder theory refers to all the stakeholders involved in the business, and stakeholder analysis is the way of helping the company to analyze the range of stakeholders. In the past, the companies were often unaware of these things, and from the business perspective, fulfilling a company duty of care or to its stakeholders can create a win-win situation. According to the Dongding elaborate views, and employees who have skills in the ethical analysis may more likely to preferred by the company. As an industrial researcher, I also has a responsibility to protect the stakeholders by disclosing the correct and reasonable information and contribution to the right image of the company. And as the technological advance, ethicals as well as the reputation driven CSR become an important strategy plank. Tencent main MBT is a potential for the unexpected event that affect the stakeholder, such as the leakage of the user data information. Therefore, as an employee, we should learn relevant analysis, the method fulfilling our responsibility from the corporate perspective. Fulfilling the CSR can also help for the future of the company. In the summary, from the COM 5010 course, I realized that if I am the financial worker, I should always maintain the critical mindset, constantly examine action and question directly what's wrong rather than just give up. At the same time, I should strive to protect the right of the stakeholder and prevent the investor from receiving the harm from the financial regulation. Thank you. This is my presentation.